confirm that it is the same person that you see.
Now, women human rights defenders continue to face numerous challenges, many of which they are defined by their gender. They are often subjected to rights violations through attacks, threats, gender-based violence, and harassment, with those living with the disabilities facing even greater vulnerability. Now, speaking in Nairobi, they identified persistent gaps in protection, accountability, and access to justice, calling for stronger measures to safeguard their rights and recognize the critical role they play in the society.
First of all, start with their character. It goes to their being. It goes to their nature. It goes to even about how society have defined them.
Their face are not only external pressure, but of advocacy, but also social expectation, cultural barriers, economic constraint, and in some cases, direct threats to their safety and well-being.
Survivors of gender-based violence still struggle to access justice due to systematic delays and gaps in accountability. This must change.
We cannot continue abducting people, killing them. Young people not having security, not having jobs.
If we don't protect our country and our constitution, we'll get to a position whereby the next generation will not be able to speak freely, even in classrooms.